look so weird.
Any day now.
I'm trying.
All right, Mia, we're doing a haircut?
Yeah.
It is so long. We recently cut her bangs, well, a few months ago, but she wants it short for summer. We're gonna try the beard ponytail cut. Let's give it a go. High fives. Yes! No idea what we're doing. We're just gonna give it a go. Okay, first we're gonna part the hair. Hold it, please. Okay, I don't think this has to be perfect. It's not like we're like shaving a line or something.
It feels perfect.
Good enough, my motto. In hair, in parenting, and life. Good enough. We're gonna go over the ears, I think. Got our handy dandy Amazon Basics hair ties here. Oh
Feels like a beard, alright.
Yeah. Ponytail beard haircut. I don't know what I'm doing. We did the what? The unicorn?
Yeah.
The butterfly.
The wolf.
The butterfly, unicorn, wolf. It came out so good. We watched Brad Mondo's tutorial. Do you remember? We don't want to go that short. So we're gonna do another hair tie. The only tip I saw was you don't want to just do one down here because as you start to cut it, it may get all weird. So just keep doing hair ties to the point where you want to cut.
Is that too short?
I don't know. It's always smart to go a little bit longer than you think
Just in case.
so you have room to fix any mistakes.
Wow.
Dun, 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 dun.
I look so weird.
Oh my god. Are we doing this?
Yes.
Okay. What do we say?
It's just hair. With Heather.
You want to cut it? The first cut? Go.
I'm just gonna do a little. Can you put one more hair tie? There.
Okay.
Can I cut the whole thing?
Sure.
Satisfying crunchy noise.
Any day now.
I'm trying.
Yeah, the hair just kind of scoops out from under there.
Yeah.
That's actually not that easy. Okay. That's what we gotta do, right? Gotta grab it like that. Woo! There we go!
Wait, come.
Like a blush brush. You want to see what it looks like?
Yes.
Try to go like this.
Sure.
We'll just make it a little less harsh. Moment of truth. Hey! Hey!
Ah. Can I get down?
Look up. Oh, hey!
Let me see.
Sure. Oh, guys!
More.
That's amazing!
More.
But do you like it? How that came out? Wow! They came out nice! You want to do more?
Yes. I want to feel short.
Shorter.
We need another.
You ready? How about that? How about that?
I honestly don't feel good about this much.
What do you mean?
I think I did it too short. But
I don't think so.
did.
It's still gonna be long enough for a ponytail. Mia, careful. Oh. 9 years old, cutting her own hair. What do we think about this? Oops. Oh, one little chunk, two little chunks.
Can I keep that?
One little chunk, okay. Oh wait, oh wait. Let's do this one again. Do it. Let's do it. Okay.
That's short.
Wow, that's cool. Look at the V.
A
That's
V?
fun.
V?
Ooh, I like that. It's a V. That came out really cool.
But
Wow, look at that. Let's see. What are we going to do here?
cut it evenly.
Oh, I don't know. Because when it's like that, it looks cool.
When it's like what?
Okay, you get down and go look. Personally, I think that came out really, really cute. Mia, turn around slowly. I love it. She's not thrilled with it, so she wants to straighten it out, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. But just FYI, this is how it came out. I love it. I really, really do. Are you sure, Mia?
Yes.
Ah, okay, we'll straighten it out. Okay, look down. You gotta do this because the bottom hangs out of you. Moral of the story. Number 1, yeah, always never go too short. Leave room for fixing. Number 2, be okay with imperfection. Number 3, don't get stressed out. It's just hair, have some fun. If the worst happens, you can go to a professional and they can fix it. Maybe it's shorter than you wanted. Maybe it's a different color than you wanted, but it's always fixable. I think we're good. Yeah? Woo! It's straightened out. Okay.
I did it. Do you like it?
Woo woo! I love it. I love it. Look at all this hair. Ah! Way to go, Mia. We did it together. Still goes in a ponytail?
Yep.
Yay.